The silent signs of poor circulation most adults ignore. Have your feet started feeling colder than usual lately? Do your legs sometimes feel heavy after walking short distances? Have you noticed tingling, numbness, swelling, or cramps at night that were not there before? Many adults over 50 assume these changes are simply a normal part of aging. However, the body often gives quiet warning signs before bigger health problems appear. In some cases, these symptoms may be connected to poor circulation. Healthy circulation plays an important role in carrying oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. When blood flow slows down, many different parts of the body may begin reacting quietly over time. The good news is that certain daily habits may help support healthier circulation naturally. Small lifestyle changes may sometimes make a meaningful difference when practiced consistently. Today, we will explore the silent signs of poor circulation after 50, why circulation often changes with age, and simple habits that may help support healthier blood flow naturally. Why circulation often changes after 50. As the body ages, blood vessels may gradually become less flexible. Physical activity may decrease, muscle mass may slowly decline, and many adults spend longer hours sitting during the day. At the same time, stress, poor sleep, dehydration, processed foods, smoking, excess sugar, and lack of movement may place additional pressure on circulation. Over time, the body may not move blood as efficiently as before. Since circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, reduced blood flow may affect energy levels, muscles, nerves, and even sleep quality. This is one reason some adults begin noticing tired legs, cold feet, slower movement, or numbness after the age of 50. The body may be quietly asking for more support. Silent signs of poor circulation. Cold feet or cold hands. One of the most common signs of circulation changes is constantly cold feet or hands. Some adults notice they need socks even during warmer weather, while others feel their feet stay cold during the night. When circulation slows, less warm blood may reach the hands and feet. Although this does not always indicate serious disease, persistent coldness may be worth paying attention to. Heavy legs while walking. Do your legs feel unusually tired or heavy after standing or walking? Some people describe it as feeling like weights are attached to their legs. Poor circulation may sometimes reduce oxygen delivery to the muscles, making movement feel more exhausting than before. Climbing stairs or walking longer distances may suddenly feel harder even without intense activity. Tingling or numbness. Pins and needle sensations in the feet or legs may sometimes appear when circulation becomes less efficient. Some adults notice tingling while sitting for long periods, while others wake up with numb toes or feet during the night. Circulation problems are not the only possible cause, but reduced blood flow may sometimes contribute to these uncomfortable sensations. Swelling around the ankles. Swelling around the ankles may also occur when circulation slows down. Sitting for long periods may make this worse. Some adults notice deeper sock marks on the skin or puffiness around the lower legs by the end of the day. Movement, hydration, and daily activity may become especially important in these situations. Leg cramps at night. Nighttime leg cramps are another common complaint after 50. Dehydration, inactivity, mineral imbalance, and circulation changes may all play a role. Some adults experience sudden calf tightness or painful cramps during sleep that interrupt rest and leave soreness the next morning. Daily habits that may help support circulation naturally. Walking every day. Walking is one of the simplest and most effective habits for supporting circulation naturally. Movement helps muscles push blood back toward the heart more efficiently. Even 15 to 30 minutes of daily walking may help support healthier blood flow over time. Consistency matters more than intensity. Drinking enough water. Many adults simply do not drink enough water throughout the day. Mild dehydration may affect circulation, energy levels, and overall body function. Proper hydration may help the body maintain healthier blood flow and support overall wellness. Reducing excess sugar and processed foods. Highly processed foods and excess sugar may contribute to inflammation and metabolic stress over time. Healthier meals rich in vegetables, fiber, healthy fats, and whole foods may better support circulation and long-term cardiovascular health. Avoiding long periods of sitting. Sitting for too long may reduce blood flow in the legs. This is why regular movement throughout the day is important. Simple stretching, light walking, ankle movement, and standing regularly may help support circulation naturally. Even small movements repeated consistently may help the body more than many people realize. Foods that may help support blood flow. Certain foods naturally contain compounds that may support blood vessel function as part of a healthy lifestyle. Examples include beets, pomegranate, leafy greens, garlic, citrus fruits, berries, and omega-3 rich foods. These foods may help support healthier circulation when included regularly in balanced meals. Why stress and sleep matter more than people think. Many people focus only on food while ignoring the effects of stress and poor sleep. Chronic stress may affect blood vessels and place strain on the body over time. Poor sleep may also influence inflammation, blood pressure, energy levels, and overall circulation. Healthy circulation often depends on the entire lifestyle, not just one food, drink, or supplement. When symptoms should not be ignored. Sometimes, circulation problems may point to more serious health conditions. It is important to seek professional medical guidance if symptoms become severe, painful, sudden, or persistent. Especially if you notice severe swelling, chest pain, major skin color changes, wounds that heal slowly, sudden leg pain, or worsening numbness. Professional evaluation is always important whenever symptoms continue or become more serious. After 50, the body often gives quiet warning signs before larger problems appear. Cold feet, heavy legs, tingling, swelling, cramps, and fatigue may sometimes be connected to circulation changes. The encouraging news is that small daily habits may help support healthier blood flow naturally over time. Simple movement, proper hydration, healthier meals, better sleep, and reduced stress may all help support circulation and overall wellness. The body usually responds best to gentle habits repeated consistently, not overnight miracles. And sometimes the smallest daily changes become the ones the body appreciates most.